everyone, I am M.R. Patil, lecturer from the R.C. Patel Polytechnic, Shirpur. Today we are going to discuss about the topic paint. So let us we see the introduction for paint. We know the paint is a very useful. Paint protects the metal surfaces from the rusting of iron, or paint protects the wooden surfaces from the insect or fungi, and paint is also useful for the decorative purpose. Means the various purpose of paint is observed. So let us we see the introduction for paint. Paint is a mixture of solid coloring material, means the pigment, that is pigments are suspended in a liquid medium like thinner, vehicle, and that on dries forms a protective or the decorative film on various surfaces. When the paint is dry by oxidation reaction, polymerization reaction, or the evaporation of its components like thinner or the vehicles dries and gives a thin film which has hiding power. Paint is a use for final finishing to any surfaces and also for the coating to protect from any surfaces. Paint film is non-transparent, so it is useful to completely cover the surface. Paint is available in different forms like oil based paint, cement based paint, water based paint. Now let us we see the purpose of applying the paint. Paints are generally used for covering the metallic and non-metallic surfaces and also for the construction work. The main purpose of applying the paint are as paint protects the iron from the corrosion and rusting. Paint protects the iron from wear and tear. It protects the wooden surfaces from the insect and fungi. Also the paint protects the wooden surfaces from the moisture, due to which wooden surfaces protect from insect and fungi. Paint reflects the heat and light. Paint provides the smoothness to surface and it is useful for the decorative purpose. Now let us we see the characteristics of good paint. The characteristics of good paints are as it should have a good covering or the spreading power. It should form a durable, tough and resistance to wear film on the drying. Means when paint is drying, the tough or the durable thin film is formed on the metal surface or the any surface. It should not crack on the drying. When the paint film is drying, it should not crack on drying. It should cover the body uniformly and homogeneously on which it is applied. It should maintain its color, smoothness and finish for long time. Film produced should be washable and glossy and attractive. The film should possess a good adhesion capacity on the surfaces. Adhesion means to stick or bind the metal surface or the any surface tightly adhered to the surface. It should be cheap and ready to use. It should be easily applicable on the any surface with brush, roller and spraying device. Now in this way we studied about the topic paint, purpose of applying paint and characteristics of good paint. In next lecture we will see the topic ingredients of paint or a constituent of paint. So thank you friends.